Hi everyone, my name's Nick and I work for Let's Play Games Distribution. And today I'm going to be showing you how to use the new quick order function that we've added to our website letsplaygames.com.au. To access quick order, the first thing you have to do is make sure that you're logged in. You can always tell you're logged in because your name will be appearing in the top corner here. If you're a retailer and you don't have a login, no problems. Just click here to become a wholesale customer down the bottom. If you're a member of the public who's managed to find this video, I'm really sorry. Let's Play Games is a distributor and we don't sell direct to the public. If you'd like access to our products, the best way to go about that is by getting in contact with your local game store. So, now that we're logged in and we've navigated to letsplaygames.com.au, I'm going to click the quick order function in the top right hand corner. And the quick order page will load. Quick order's been added to the website to help retailers order from our very wide range of products. Although the website is fairly easy to use, you can just search for the product you're looking for and then add that to your cart. That's not always appropriate when you're dealing with product ranges like accessories, where there might be several hundred different products in different colors, or perhaps paints, once again, where there's many products in the range, or even a product range like the WizKids Unpainted Miniatures range, once again, which consists of several hundred different miniatures. So the quick order function has been added to make it easier specifically to help with ordering from these kind of product ranges. So the quick order function consists of a search bar at the top here, a stock feed button, which will allow us to download a spreadsheet containing a list of all of the products on letsplaygames.com.au, including the quantity available of them. A add multiple products add from file section, which will allow us to edit that spreadsheet that we download and then re-upload it, allowing us to order essentially by spreadsheet. And then last but not least, an enter items number, which will allow us to copy paste from the spreadsheet or from another order source if we've got one. Okay, so let's go through the quick order functions. The search bar at the top, guys, can be used much the same as the search bar is normally. Generally, you wouldn't use this too often, but perhaps if you're building a big list of products in quick order and then you realize you've forgotten one or two, this is a nice quick way of adding them in. When you add to quick order, you'll notice that instead of adding the item instantly, what it does is bring up a 6-digit ID. This 6-digit ID you're going to see quite a lot of today. This is the unique identifier that Let's Play Games is assigned to each of the products. In this case, 206-361 for Zombie Kids. I'm going to say the quantity I want of that is 3, and I'm going to click Add. It's now added Zombie Kids to my quick order page. Now, keeping in mind, this is not yet in my cart. You can see my cart in the top right-hand corner here, and that's still empty. The way quick order works is you'll build a list of products, and then you'll add them to the cart all in the one go. So, at the moment, I've managed to add Zombie Kids Evolution, but I want to do a little bit more than that. So, let's start by clicking Stock Feed. The website's now downloaded CSV, a spreadsheet file of all of the products on Let's Play Games, including their quantity. When you open that up, this is what it looks like. And we'll break out some of these columns here so it's a bit easier for you all to see. And here we go. So left to right, item number. This is the 6-digit unique identifier that we've already mentioned. This is how the website knows which products we're talking about. Quantity to order. This is a very important column. This is the column that we're going to be editing in this spreadsheet, which will then upload to the website telling it how many of each item we would like. Manufacturer's SKU is of course the unique identifier given to each of the products by the manufacturer. The barcode is the barcode, the name is the name. The quantity is the quantity available of each of these products on the website at the time this spreadsheet was generated. It's important to note that this spreadsheet is not generated live every time someone clicks the button. Instead, it's generated hourly. And so in this case, Disney Kingdom Hearts Talisman, it says there's 15 available on the website. One of the things that can happen is in between this spreadsheet being created on the website and me using this spreadsheet to order, perhaps another retailer has come in here and ordered this product, which means it will no longer be available. There will be small variations between the quantity on this spreadsheet and the quantity online, depending how many people have ordered those products, or indeed what products Let's Play Games has added to the website in between the time the spreadsheet was created and we used the spreadsheet. We're aware of that. It's not perfect, but as you'll see, ordering from spreadsheet is very powerful and stands to save retailers quite a lot of time when you order. And so we think that small variance is probably going to be okay. Availability is the availability status of the item, so a product can either be available on back order or on pre-order. And last but not least, the process time, which is the time and the date that this spreadsheet was created, which in this case was the 5th of April at 10:08 a.m. So let's take a look at what we can do here. I am going to order some Knowles' miniatures, and I'm going to do that by applying a filter. I'm going to apply a filter to the name here. I think I'm going to look for, I will look for Knowles, which all of the D&D unpainted miniatures have in the name. I'm also going to look for, I will look for elf. Let's find all the Knowles elves. Here we go. So the spreadsheet has returned me all of the products that have Knowles in the name, or Knowles in the name, and all of the products that have elf in the name. I'm now going to search this, or sort this largest to smallest, and I'm going to add, I'll add 2 of them, and I only want the ones that are in stock, so I'm not going to bother about the ones that we're out of stock of. I'm just going to add 2 of each of the ones that are in stock. Now I'm also going to order some RPG dice, and so same situation. I'm going to use the text filter here, and I'm going to search for Okie Dokie dice, because I like Okie Dokie dice, and I'll also search for RPG. So we'll look for all of the products that have Okie and RPG in the name, and here they are. So we can see there's quite a list of them. I'm going to sort these once again by the quantity available, largest to smallest, because I'm only interested in the ones that are in stock. I'll order 3 of each of these. So I will order 3 of each of these, and I'm going to scroll down. Here we go. And I will order 3 of each of these. And then I'm going to notice that there's 5 and 7 left of these, and I'm very fond of these ones, so I'm going to change my quantity to 5 and 7 and snipe the last of the ones that are in stock. Okay, so now that I've done that, all I need to do is save this file. And now I'll exit out. And I'm going to navigate back to the website, and from the website I'm going to click select a file in the bottom left hand corner. I'm then going to select the stock feed that we've just been editing. I'm going to open it up, and I'm going to click upload now. It's important to note that the upload is not instantaneous. It does take maybe half a second to a second for a product. So what that means is if you're ordering maybe 1,000 products, you could end up sitting here for maybe a minute or even 90 seconds. We acknowledge that's not perfect, but it will still be quite a considerable time saving considering how long it would have taken to order those products if you were doing it manually on the website yourself. So scrolling through the list, we can now see that we have a long list of all of the quick order products, and it has added all of these Okie Dokie dice and these D&D elves, and I've got my Zombie Kids Evolution that I added at the beginning of our session. And I am going to be, I'm going to edit a couple of these. I'm going to decide that I want to edit this one, and I'll change that to 1, and this one I'll change to 6. Okay, so I've reviewed my list of all of the products that I've added to quick order, and I'm now going to add them to cart. So what the website's doing now is it's taking all of these products and adding them to cart in the appropriate quantity all at the same time. Now once again, same as the upload, this isn't instantaneous. It takes maybe half a second to a second per product. So if you're ordering a very large number of products, you can end up sitting here for a minute. But once again, compared to ordering these products manually, it still represents a fairly considerable time saving. And let's let it do its thing here. Here we go. And it's done it. So now that these are in our cart, we can proceed to checkout as we would normally. This is just a normal order at this stage, and the website treats it as such, and it will come through to our back-end system and be processed by the team as such. Guys, what I've shown you here is the bare minimum way of using quick order, which is just downloading the stock feed, adding items from the stock feed, and perhaps adding a couple individual items using the search. What I'm really excited about is to see how you, the retailers, are going to take this tool and get more out of it and use more and get more utility from it. Some easy examples of that might be perhaps generating a purchase order in your system and then downloading the stock feed, matching up the purchase order to the stock feed so you can upload your purchase orders into the system in one go, which would represent a considerable time saving. Alternatively, perhaps retailers could download the stock feed and match up an entire range of products. We'll use the Knowles' miniatures again because they're on my screen. Match up the entire range of Knowles' miniatures against the miniatures that they have in their system. And in doing so, they could identify all of the products that they don't have from that range and do an order for them all in one go. Or alternatively, perhaps with Chessex dice, they have an existing range of Chessex dice. They don't want to order the whole range. They just want to order the products that they've already got, maybe the 50 SKUs of dice that they've got available. What they could do there is, from their system, pull out the list of dice they've got available, apply that to the stock feed as a filter, and reorder only the dice that they've had previously. there's lots of exciting ways to use this, and I am really excited to see how you guys end up using it. This is a first pass. If changes are required in any way, please reach out to us. Let us know. I'd love to hear you guys' feedback. And if you have any questions, feel free to follow up with either myself or the sales team. And all the best, guys. Bye.